So going to create our own family for baluster. So in order to create that, sama macam door, we are going to create a new family. Okay, and here's cari metric baluster. Oh, here we have metric baluster. Okay, I'm going to use this one and then click open. Alright, so we have this parameter baluster height. Okay, so if you would like to change your baluster height, you can go ahead and change that in here. In here, baluster height, I'm going to change to 600 and click apply. Okay, so the baluster height is 600. And the first one, I will create a extrusion. Oops. Extrusion. Create extrusion. Okay, so because this is baluster is macam tiang kan, so we need to specify which plane that we will be creating our extrusion. So I'm going to specify by name, and I'm going to go to the reference plane center, left or right. Alright, because we are working on the left, so I choose this one and then click OK. And then you can continue creating your extrusion. I'm going to just pick this rectangle here. Alright. And then I'm going to change the dimension, something maybe around 80. Okay, this one is 80, 80, 160. Okay, this one, the thickness would be 50. Sorry, this is too small. Wait, this one 60 lah. 60, and this one is 120. Alright, okay, something like this, and I will copy this extrusion to make it the same as the bottom one. So ni. Okay, once you have done something like this, you can click the finish edit mode. Okay, once you click finish edit mode, navigate to the front. Okay, navigate to the front plan, and then as you can see, our extrusion doesn't align in the middle of this reference plane kan. So what I need you to do is click on the extrusion and adjust the extrusion end and also the extrusion start. Okay, so because we have this dimension tadi 120 kan, so sebelah sini negative 60, so it will start of the extrusion is from the middle, and negative 60 will bring the extrusion to the left. Okay, and then I will bring it to the right, another 60. Don't put the negative here, and it will bring to the right macam ni. Okay, so our extrusion is in the middle, so that is good. Okay, now I will create a unique shape of the baluster. I'm going to use revolve. Okay, I'm going to use revolve this time, and again we need to specify which work plane that we are going we will be creating. So here I'm working on the left plane. I'm choosing the left and click OK. Alright, now we have something like this. So I'm kind of like freestyling this part. So you don't have to follow my dimension. You can, if you have any images, you can import the images and trace it. Trace your baluster. So I don't have any images. So I'm just going to freestyle this one. Something like here, and then oops, sini, and then here. Alright, something sini. Just freestyle this one according to your creativity. Okay, I'm going to just draw macam ni. Okay, and then make sure this boundary is closed. Okay, tak ada bukaan kat mana-mana in order for us to create the revolve. Okay, once we have done the profile or the boundary line, I'm going to specify the axis line. Okay, so the axis line I will pick, we have already have the reference plane here, so I'll pick this reference plane as the axis line, and then click the finish edit mode. So we have something like this, right? And go ahead and click the 3D view macam ni. So we have something like this. This is what we call baluster, right? Then I'm going to join these three component. Okay, okay, which means this is already joined. Why I'm joining is also okay, but I just want to have a clean cut through this component, something like that. Alright, and then I'm going to select all the baluster and insert the material here. Okay, here we can search for stone or whatever material that you prefer. We have here blue stone, or maybe we can put marble. Here marble. Alright, I'm going to use this marble. Click apply, and then we can change the visual style to realistic. So we have something like this. Okay, now we have completed our baluster, and then we need to create our railing, top railing and bottom railing. Okay, so the railing we cannot create in here because this is the template for baluster only. So to create railing, I need you to create a new family. Okay, so search for metric railing. Mana? Railing, this one. Sorry. This one. Metric profile rail. Okay, we are going to use this template. Okay, so just click on open. So we have something like this. So this is your top rail. So I'm going to draw the profile of my railing. I'm going to just use line. Here I will use rectangle macam ni, and just draw. Okay, yang ni sama juga. I will make the dimension maybe 80, and then sebelah sini 80, 160, and then the thickness would be 60. Okay, so this is the top railing. If you walk, you will hold on to the top railing kan, so macam ni. So I want it to be a slightly curve. Alright, I'm going to create line again, and then you just use this fillet arch, and I will make it maybe yes 25. This one 25. Okay, we have something like this. If you want to add more detail on your profile, you can do that. Macam ni, contoh lah, you ada macam little bit detail something here, and I will just copy. Copy this one, mirror to the other side, and then I'm just going to use the split element, or the shortcut is SL. Okay, so the split maksudnya you kerat je line ni, and then it will enable you to trim the line. Okay, macam ni. Okay, we can do the same on this side. Okay, so we finish up on our top railing. Okay, so we need to create the bottom railing. The bottom railing you cannot create on this one because this is for top, and I will create a separate file for the bottom. The same template. This one, the same template, and click open. Alright, now I'm going to draw a rectangle tapi kat bawah macam ni. Alright, tadi top railing kan, so I draw at the above, and then this below I draw the above one, and then I'm going to change the dimension 80, 160, and then it has the same thickness, which is 60. Alright, so yang ni if you want to detail up, you can do so. For me, I'm just prefer this to be a little bit smoother. Macam ni, 25. This one also 25. Alright, now we already completed our top railing, baluster, top railing and bottom railing. Okay, now we are going to insert this family that we have already created inside our railing. So the first thing to do is to create new project. Okay, create new project. I'm choosing the architectural template and click OK. Okay, so now we are in the project. And then before we load this project, you need to save this family file first. So file, save as, I'm going to save family at my desktop. So we have here Baluster. Baluster, okay, it's a simple name. Okay. And then file, save as, family. This is, I will call it top. And then the third one is the bottom. Okay, we are reaching the end. Okay, bear with me, please. All right. Now we already created this tree and load each of these family into our project. Okay, load all the tree. Load into project. Project 6. Okay. This one also load into project. All right. Okay. Now the family already loaded in the project, and we will create a railing. So just create on the architecture tab. Okay. Under architecture tab, circulation panel, we have railing. Click on the railing, and I will just sketch a simple path for our railing macam ni. Okay. And click finish edit mode. And kita tengok dekat 3D view. Okay. So we have something like this. So pick your railing and then you can change for your preferences. So like now, I'm going to use this one first. And then I'm going to do the edit type and then duplicate this one and rename it as classical. Okay, okay. And then I'm going to preview this one. Okay, so you need to pay attention to this part because I think this is important for you to understand the railing. Okay, so here we have the railing structure, and then you can click on the railing structure. So we have this 4 railing right here. So the fourth one is the below one because the height from the below to the railing is 100 kan. And then the railing number 3 we have 300, which is from this below 300. And then railing number 2 500 from below to the railing number 2 500. So the railing works like that. So for me, I'm going to delete this railing and click apply. So I'm going to just leave these 2 railing. You might wonder what is this one kan? Kita cuma ada 2 railing tapi sini ada 3. Why? Because this atas ni adalah kita punya top railing. So that one I will adjust after this. Alright. So the first one I'm going to just rename this as top. And this one as bottom. Alright, now the height is, as you can remember, my baluster is 600. Okay, the bottom one 0, and I didn't want to put any offset. And here on the profile, choose top to top, and then choose our bottom profile for the railing. Okay, so now on the category, you can click on the double dot here and choose marble. Click OK, and then if you don't want to repeat the same, you can just copy and paste. Simple like that. Okay, and then click apply. So we have something like that. So as you can see, this is our top railing that we created, and this is our bottom railing. Okay, so ignore this one first and then click OK. All right, so we have this one right here is from here, the top railing. So I didn't want to use this top railing. I can just uncheck this one, uncheck and click apply, and then OK. So we only have our top railing that we created and the baluster. Okay, now we need to edit the baluster. Click edit on the baluster placement. All right, on the baluster placement, here we have this one. Just change the family to our baluster. All right, the host on the base should be bottom. The top is top, and then okay, just hit apply first. Okay, the top reference below. Okay, tak apa. Okay, something like this. Why just have one? Because this is too far. Alright, so I'm going to change this to 300 and click apply. Okay, so we have something like this. The reason why we have this kind like a missing baluster here because we do not change this one. Okay, so if I change this to spread pattern to fit, it will measure my railing and spread my baluster with the same distance. Okay, I just click apply. Okay, the reason why I keep this warning keep popping up because we didn't change this one first. Okay, we didn't change this one first, so this warning is for this one. Okay, just click on OK first. Okay, so we already adjusted our main pattern, and then we are going to adjust our post. Okay, our post. So the first one, I'm going to choose all of this for baluster that we created, and then base from bottom, this one from top. Okay, and then click apply. Okay, now we have the start post. This is what we call start post. And if you have the corner of your railing, you can justify your corner would be the same baluster. And then can they do the same for this? Okay, so it doesn't show the corner because this preview only for a straight railing. And then we have the end post. Okay, the end post, I'm going to change to baluster also, bottom and top. Yeah, and then click apply. So we didn't have the warning anymore because I already set this thing up, and we have something like this. Okay, and just click OK. OK again. There we have it. This is our railing that we created. All right.